What's up, you guys? It's your girl Heaven the Coach, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm doing a cook with me Sunday, and I'm cooking a meat lover spaghetti. So we have turkey pepperoni, ground beef, beef smoked sausage, spaghetti, and onion. So you're going to see me start off with just placing this ground beef directly in my pan. And I'm just going to put that on the stove. I'm not going to turn it on. And I'm going to chop up some onion. Now, my family likes raw, like they're picky eaters. So they enjoy raw onion, but not cooked onion in food. So I do cook food with a raw onion and then just like pick it out, but you'll see that shortly. Then I'm going to go ahead and open up some beef sausage and just rinse that off and chop that up into little like square, like circles. But when I grind the beef up, it kind of breaks down as well. So yeah, I chop those up. Then I'm going to take these turkey pepperonis. And this, I don't know what made me add pepperonis, but well, my mom, of course, made me add pepperonis because that's something that she does. But yeah, we add pepperonis in our spaghetti. So now I'm just going to turn on the stove and move my meat directly on the heat. And I'm going to just break that down really good. Here I'm going to add those raw onions, and you see they're like big pieces, so I don't have to do like a scavenger hunt to get them out once they're cooked. I'm taking some fresh ground black pepper. You guys, if you can, try to get some black pepper that you can grind freshly. Also, I'm going to use some ground salt. And you would be surprised, those like ingredients are really, really cheap, especially if you go to like Ross or TJ Maxx. Okay, here's my beef sausage. I'm just adding that in, adding the turkey pepperoni. And I'm just going to mix and let it cook down. And as you guys can see, those sausage rounds like broke down. So here I am picking out the onions. Comment down below if there's a food that your family kind of likes but doesn't like made in particular ways. Like, yeah, just comment down below if you do certain things for your family's food. Okay, I'm just taking this cheese tomato sauce, and I like this sauce because it doesn't have garlic in it. So yeah, and this is just what I use. You can use whatever tomato sauce you are interested in. And yes, I do put sugar in my spaghetti. I don't know, sugar just brings out a special taste. My mom also told me to put ketchup, so I have always been putting ketchup in it since she told me. And I do like to put some steak sauce. This is 57 sauce, and it is good, and it adds like a little twang to the spaghetti. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix that up. Like, trust me guys, it's gonna give your spaghetti sauce such a kick if you add a little steak sauce to it. Here I'm just gonna prepare my water to boil for the noodles, and I'm gonna preheat my oven for the Texas toast. I get the 5 cheese kind because it does not have garlic in it. Okay, so you guys see me with the classic chef salad. I just like these salads in the bags. I don't know. I'm just taking my paper towel and just, drying off the excess water from when I rinsed the salad off. Taking some onion. Now, they do like a raw onion, so you will see me use raw onion in our salads because they don't have a problem with raw onion. Sprinkle some there, sprinkle some there. Now I'm going to take this Mexican blend style cheese and just sprinkle it on top of our salads. Now I'm just getting ready to pop in our Texas toast. Like, I try to time everything, you know, in good timing so nothing is, you know, sitting out too long. Okay, just set the timer for 5 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and salt my water for my spaghetti. And I love buying these small spaghettis that's like pre-cut because, you know, I do use a small, you know, boiler. So now just checking on our sauce. Yes, I'm getting hungry again just watching this. Okay, so in the salad in the bag, it does come with croutons and dressing. So you see me using that. Oh, and it did come with some Parmesan cheese. So I sprinkled that on. And this is just their dual Caesar dressing. So yeah, if you want to try that. I am a boss mom. So yeah, plastic forks and paper plates over here. And cups. Everything is easy, convenient for me because I do have a lot going on. And I'm so grateful. Okay, so I just stirred my noodles just a little bit. And I'm setting out our beverages. Everyone has their preference of beverage. So yeah. Now just turning off the stove, and that cheese bread looks amazing. So right here, you're just going to see me plate everything, adding the noodles to each plate. Yes. And then because I'm not for like a whole bunch of dishes, I just put the extra noodles right into the saucepan. And yeah, now I'm just plating the meat sauce right on top of those fresh noodles. And Moses, my sweet baby, he doesn't like the sauce directly on the noodles, so I just put it on the side. And now I'm just going to mix everything all up. Perfect for leftovers. And yeah, and this is the final meal. Guys, comment, subscribe, tell a friend.